Alright guys, so today I am putting up these soffit boards, the little covers along the bottom here. What we decided to do is use these 4x8 sheets of siding and just cut off like 1 foot pieces and put them across here. And then we'll be putting a trim board up just underneath it, and of course another trim board to cover up that big crack. But we're going to do that after we paint the walls, because we're going to make the trim a different color than the walls. So anyway, we got that going on, and as I was putting up this first sheet on this side, I had one of the little paper wasps fly out of there. I think he was just using it for shade. I didn't see any other any evidence of them making a home in there yet. But he's been, oh, there he is. Oh, I don't know if you saw that or not, but anyway, he's buzzing around. Oh, there he goes. He's looking for a way in. I don't think he's happy with me though. All right, back to work. All right, guys, so I'm inside now. The wind's picking up a bit and it's getting kind of dark out. So we've foamed this door, so it's really tight. There's no draft anywhere. It's great. And I actually straightened out the frame just a little bit. I had to add another shim in there because it was kind of bowing in the middle between those two. Anyway, that's worked out well, and now the door shuts perfectly and doesn't have any breeze coming through. And we bought this stuff, actually here, it's this stuff on Amazon called Straight Flex, because we didn't have any corner bead, and this is like 100 feet of it, so about the same as 12 or so regular corner beads. So the price is about the same. Actually, it's a little bit cheaper, but it was something we were able to order and get here without having to go up to McCoy's to get it. So anyway, it's just paper basically, but it's a lot stronger than regular tape, and it claims you can use it for outside corners, and it seems solid. I mean, anyway, we'll see once she gets a top coat on it, and we'll see what our I don't know how well it performs. In the end, if I have to, we can always throw a corner bead over it and remud it later, you know, if down the road we need to fix it up and whatever. But I think the stuff will work. It's got good reviews. Everybody seems to like it, so we'll see. And then I've got, I can barely see them in here. It's getting too dark, but I've got breakers for all of our circuits, and I'm getting a 2-pole 15 amp breaker for the air conditioner, because it says not to use more than a 15 amp breaker. It actually, all told, it only draws about 10 amps peak at 240 volts. And then our, you might see, this box does not, let me see if I can turn on a light. How do I do this? This is the best way to do it. There we go. So it does not have a breaker. It's really meant to be a sub panel with a main breaker next to it or something. But I didn't noticed that when I was ordering it. I just like, oh, breaker panel, buy. So what I'm going to do, I was thinking originally about just buying a main breaker and, you know, taking the lugs, you know, these two lugs off and, you know, replacing it with a main breaker. But then I started looking, and the only place I could find a 60 amp main was from Square D directly, or a couple of like Granger and whatnot, and they wanted over $100 for a dang breaker. So Menards has them for $50, but here's the thing: I can buy a 60 amp, you know, regular breaker that we just throw in on, you know, just like you do with these, and that's $10. So I ordered a couple of those, so I've got them for both sides of this, and we'll just use that for our main disconnect. So anyway, I think that's about it. Lisa's gonna mud some more, and tomorrow I'm gonna finish the soffits, and then we're gonna pull that paint sprayer out and see if we can't paint this place up, on the outside of this place anyway. Ooh, look at my light. Let me turn my light off. There we go. Haha. All right, guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.